Oh, your stomach's rumbling, but your Uber Eats promo code isn't playing ball. Don't worry, we're diving into some quick fixes to get you that delicious discount. First things first, let's confirm that your promo code is still valid. Open your Uber Eats app and navigate to the account section, then tap on Wallet or Promotions here. You'll see a list of your available promotions and their expiration dates. Expired code. That's the culprit. Okay, expiration is not the issue. Fantastic. Let's check the code itself. Double check that you've entered the promo code exactly as it appears. Paying close attention to capitalization and any numerical digits. A single typo can throw the whole thing off. Copy and paste it for the best results. Still no luck? Let's investigate the fine print. Many promo codes have specific eligibility requirements, like being for new users only or applicable only to certain restaurants or order minimums. Head back to the promotion section. Tap on the code you're trying to use and carefully review the terms and conditions. Speaking of order minimums, make sure your order total meets the minimum requirement for the promo code to apply. Add a little something extra if needed. If you've tried all of these steps and the promo code still refuses to work, it's time to call in the experts. Contact Uber Eats customer support directly through the app. They can provide personalized assistance and resolve any technical glitches that might be preventing the code from being applied. Now you're armed with the knowledge to conquer those promo code problems. Enjoy your discounted and delicious Uber Eats meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.